In this video, I'll show you how to add a custom action in Flutterflow. First, sign into your Flutterflow account and open the project where you want to add a custom action. Next, open the Custom Code section from the left menu and select Actions. Click Add Custom Action, then enter a name for your action and define any input or output parameters that it will use. After that, write or paste your Dart code into the code editor. Make sure your code performs the task you want and returns any required values. Save the custom action when you're finished. Now, go to the page where you want to use the action. Select the widget that will trigger it, open the Actions panel, add a new action, and choose your custom action from the list. Map any required parameters before saving. Finally, preview your app and test the custom action to make sure it runs correctly. If needed, return to the Custom Code section to update the code and test again. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a custom action in Flutterflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.